Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about the demand function. We have already seen that in economics there is a cause and effect relationship between two variables. The cause effect relationship between variables can be expressed in a functional notation. Demand function is also such an expression. Demand function specifies a functional relationship between demand for a good and the determinants of this demand. That means demand function is also a mathematical relationship which expresses the relationship between demand as well as the determinants of the demand. Now, talking about the demand function itself, as you can see that demand function dx is equals to f px py pe ty and u. So now what does all these denote? First of all, dx means demand for commodity x. Here, because we are talking about some unknown commodity and therefore we are assuming that commodity to be x, so d stands for demand, so dx, that means demand for commodity x. Small f denotes functional notation or mathematical notation. P stands for price. So first of all, Px means price of that unknown commodity X. Why? Because as we have seen in the determinants, that determinants are mainly divided into two parts. First one was price and second one was factors other than price, what are also known to be other determinants. So here now first one, that was Px, was price of commodity X. Now Py is equals to price of related commodity Y. That means here P again stands for price and Y stands for related commodities. Now we have already seen that related commodities may be either substitute goods or it may be complementary goods. PE stands for expectations of consumer about future prices. Capital T stands for tastes and preferences of a consumer. Capital Y, it stands for the income of a consumer, and capital U stands for other factors, just like we have seen size and demographic profile of population and maybe other some such factors. Thank you, students.